In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Steam. So what you can do here is go up to your top right corner here and go ahead and click the drop down menu, and we can go to account details. Now it's important to know that this section here has no way to actually change your username for Steam. Unfortunately, that is embedded with Steam. It's very specific, it's user specific. So unfortunately, if you really want to change your username, you may have to just delete your account, make a new one. You may lose your games and you'll just have to kind of start fresh. So what we can do is just change the profile name in itself. So to do that, go up here to the top right and go ahead and click View My Profile. You're going to get your profile here. What you can do here is just go over to here and click Edit Profile. And then here is your profile name. So I'm just going to change this into something different. Let's see, I'm just going to type this in. And then go all the way down to where it says Save. And now you've saved it. Your profile name changes up here and it also changes here in the top right corner. So that is how you would go about changing your name on Steam. Hope you guys liked the video and we'll see you in the next one.